Hello everyone, if you're trying to play MortalShell 2 and your game keeps crashing and you keep getting this error, unhandled exception with the error code 0xc06d007e, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on MortalShell 2 easily. So first off, you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card drivers to the latest version. So I'm going to show you how to do it on an Nvidia card first, and then I'll show you AMD and Intel. You're going to go into nvidia.com, click onto drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphic card series, model and operating system. After that, click find here and it will look for the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for your computer. Once it's done finding the drivers, you can download the GeForce Game Ready driver and install it on your computer. And now onto AMD, you're going to come here. You're going to click onto resources and support. Click drivers then. You're going to scroll down. Click onto graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model. Click submit then. Click on your operating system and download the latest AMD adrenaline drivers. Now onto Intel, come here, click onto support, download center. You're going to click onto graphics here then. And then you're going to search for a graphics card here. And then you're going to download the latest Intel Arc graphics drivers and install it. After you're done installing the drivers, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, now you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on MortalShell 2, click properties, install files, click verify and tag it to your game files here. Once you do that, it's going to verify your game's files and now you should be able to play the game. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.